Hello everybody, welcome to another video on Universal Trendy. So today is a very special day. As you guys could see behind me, today is the day that I learned how to drive. So it's a very special day in my life. I've been waiting for 18 years, but thanks to America, it's been 16 years. So this is Gold's Driving School. So thank you very much to Gold Driving School for helping me with this amazing journey. I highly recommend Gold Driving School if you guys are just starting to learn. It's an amazing place, got the best instructors, DMV licensed instructors, and personally I have an amazing instructor myself. So they do three 2-hour driving sessions, so can't wait to get into that as well. So without further ado, let's get right into it.
The entire course is only 6 hours. The courses are taught by highly skilled DMV licensed instructors in vehicles with passenger side brakes.
Welcome to day 2 of my driving sessions, guys. So right now I'm gonna be completing my 4th hour. This is day 2, so it's 3 2-hour sessions. And as I said before, I'm learning with Gold Driving School with my instructor, Mr. Andy. And something about Gold Driving School is that they look at your smallest mistakes and teach it to you instantly. So something that happened to me personally is when I did a lane change, I didn't follow 3 steps. That was looking at the mirrors, then looking over my shoulder, and before all of that, turning on my signals. And what I didn't do is I didn't look over my shoulder, and my instructor was like, that's wrong and you might get a point off, and he fixed my mistake instantly. So just like that, and that's just one of many, I highly suggest Gold Driving School to obtaining your license. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, that's true.
Do you know the best driving school in LA?
Gold Driving School is the best, man.
So what you're seeing right now, guys, is me learning how to park and take my car out of a parking lot. And I actually learned a couple tips and tricks on how to do that, which I would never thought is possible. Because, you know, in the parking lot, there are so many people coming in and out, driving out and going into the parking lot, and backing up your car is a kind of a tough job for a new driver. So thanks to my instructor from Gold Driving School, I learned the easiest ways and techniques to do so. So highly recommending Gold Driving School to you guys as well. session just ended, guys, with instructor Andy. It's been a pleasure. So I made a couple mistakes, but thanks to instructor Andy, I tried to fix them, and I know what my mistakes are now so far. So today's my second session, so each session is 2 hours, so this is my 4th hour. It's been an absolute pleasure working with the best instructor in town, Mr. Andy. Also highly recommend Gold Driving School if you are on your journey to grab your license. Really amazing instructors, DMV licensed instructors, so you got to know that. And they got amazing cars, Toyota Corollas, Hyundais. They got like really amazing cars, good condition. And the slightest mistake you make, the instructor is going to teach. And just like instructor Andy, we got a bunch more, but instructor Andy is the best. So I got to say that. So stay tuned for, and yeah, that's it. Stay tuned. Thank you, Mr. Andy.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Good job. Thank you.
Hey, aren't you tired of not driving yourself?
Yeah, but I don't have my license and I don't know where to start.
It's easy. Just look around.
Gold Driving School, I've heard of them.
Of course you have. They're one of the best driving schools around. The entire course is only 6 hours. The courses are taught by highly skilled DMV licensed instructors in vehicles with passenger side brakes.
I'm gonna go get my license.